In this video, we will check out the different types of posts which you can create on the CURD app. Now, if you go to your home screen and click on the plus icon below, you can see there are four types of posts which you can create here. The first is ask for a referral. You create this post when you have a requirement and you're looking for leads and recommendations. It can be any sort of requirement. Let's say a personal one where you're traveling somewhere and you wish to know more about places to visit to stay. It could also be a business requirement or if you're looking for a job recommendation somewhere. Second is refer a friend post, which you basically create to introduce two people in your network who you think can benefit from each other, be it personal, business, or professional. Let's say you know Siddharth who wants to create his own website, and you know Shweta from SPH Marketing who is good at doing that job. So you can introduce the two here. Next comes your social and your professional posts. Now, if you want to share something about your life or personal interests with your connections, which is similar to what you do at Instagram or Facebook, you can create a social post here. And if you want to share knowledge related to your industry or business, similar to LinkedIn, you can create a professional post here.